Hello everyone, welcome to CAYIN Technology SMP-NEO2 Series Media Player Tutorial video. In this video, we will introduce you to 5 methods of updating content. CAYIN provides the following methods for you to upload files to SMP players: network shares, FTP, USB storage device, library, and CMS server. You can choose one of the 5 methods to finish your content updates. Network shares. There are 2 ways for you to upload files via network shares. Use CAYIN Device Seeker or File Explorer. The first way, use CAYIN Device Seeker. Copy CAYIN Device Seeker from the product DVD or download it from CAYIN's website, then run the software. Click Seek and the Seeker will search all available SMP players or CMS servers in the same LAN. When the devices are found, select the one you want to connect and click Open Folder. Then your PC will open File Explorer and you can see files or folders in your selected player. Now copy multimedia files from your PC to the SMP player via network shares, and then you can start to play those files in the SMP player. The second way, use File Explorer. Open File Explorer and enter the /SMP player's hostname or /SMP player's IP address. For example, if the player's hostname is SMP-2300, please enter /SMP-2300 or /IP address. Then copy multimedia files from your PC to your SMP player via network. FTP. FTP is the second method of updating content. First, log into SMP Web Manager and click Service in the System page. In the Service page, go to the Media folder to enable the user mode and click on the checkbox Enable FTP Service. You can enter the username and password here. The default username and password are SMB user. If you want to change the password, please click on Change User Mode Password and enter your new password accordingly. Then click Save to save and apply the settings. Now you can use FTP client software to upload or delete files in your SMP's media folder. USB storage device. You can also choose to use USB storage device to upload files to your player. Log in SMP Web Manager and click Service in the System page. In Service page, go to the Media folder and check on Allow updating content from a USB storage device. Then click Save to save and apply the settings. Now you can insert your USB storage device to update content into Media folder. You can also use a USB storage device to upload system configurations. You simply need to store the configuration file in the root directory of the USB device and insert the device into the SMP player. Please note that the files in your USB will replace all existing files in the media folders in this situation. Library. If you want to upload and delete files directly on SMP's management user interface, here is the procedure. First, log in SMP Web Manager and go to the library page and you will directly enter the file page. Next, go to the folder or subfolder that you want the file belongs to. Click the Upload button and you will see a pop-up window. Click Browse to select the file. Then click Upload. Then click Close to close the window. CMS Server. You can update SMP players' content automatically with a CAYIN CMS Server or web server. In this case, SMP players will periodically download new or updated files from the CMS server. Please configure CMS settings. Then enable the content synchronization function and complete all related configurations. Now we are done with the content updates of your SMP player. For detailed instructions of a specific function, please check out other tutorial videos or go to the online help on each page. And subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow our product news and details. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing CAYIN Technology.